Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Qapital app in your mobile. Qapital app is a mobile app designed to help you save money and achieve your financial goals. Now proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Qapital. Then you can see Qapital by Qapital LLC. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Qapital app to manage your finances. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.